Hi everyone, it's Yamima Salahieh, Pro Makeup Artist for Ardell, and today I'm really excited to be sharing with you a brand new product, and that is a full strip magnetic lash. Our full strip magnetic lashes come in our most popular styles: the iconic Wispies, the demi Wispies, and our natural 110. Our magnetic lashes come in a pre-curved band for an absolute budge-proof fit. Lightweight, you can't even feel them, and they're reusable. Our magnets are also so small you can barely see them along the lash line. There's no adhesive needed, so it's a lot faster with zero wait time. Make sure your lashes are mascara ready. I love to use Ardell's Double Up Volumizing Mascara. So I'm ready to apply our lashes. I'm gonna remove the upper lash and place that on my right lash line. A handheld mirror is always gonna help with the application of lashes. Now that the upper lash is placed, I'm gonna go for the under lash and get ready to lock these two in place. So now I'm gonna teach you all how to properly remove your lashes. You're gonna gently roll your index finger and thumb in opposite directions, and then your lashes will slide off seamlessly. They are now ready to be unlocked. Now that you've removed your lashes and they've been neatly placed back into their case, no aftercare is necessary. These lashes are super low maintenance, and since we've only applied mascara onto our natural lashes, nothing else is needed, so your lashes are now ready for use for their next time. Thanks for joining us everyone, but now we can't wait to hear from you. So please make sure to like or comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Take care everyone, bye.